Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It is a very cold but exciting morning here today as me and my friend Wyatt, you guys remember Wyatt from my Axial Fest videos we did, me and him today are installing a 3-inch lift kit on my dad's 5th gen Ram. It's a good day. Stay tuned. Okay, before we go any further in the video, I do need to address something that me and Wyatt were not the only ones that installed this lift kit or were helping with the process. In fact, it was all hands on deck, including my dad, including Wyatt's dad. So I just wanted to make that clear, but let's get back to the video. You ready for today?
Yep.
It's about time, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we gotta get this moved. Chevy out of here. 5th gen in. Brody, come here. Now go up the hill. Alright guys, so we got behind me here, we got the truck in the shop. Before we could get the truck in the shop, we had to get the good old Chevy out and then Wyatt's Jeep out. But now that that's all taken care of, the truck is in the shop behind me and we're about to take it apart. Looks like some. It says Carli.
These are softer though, so see how I can...
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Does it matter which way it goes?
Yes. So...
Does this go on the bottom?
This is the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta droop that axle out more. Yikes.
Morning. Morning. Alright guys, it's day 2 here installing the lift kit on my dad's 5th gen Ram. Yesterday we didn't get as much done as we originally thought we would, but that is because this lift kit is a lot more complex than we thought it would be. but they are already in there wrenching away, so we're gonna get straight back into the video.
So 41 5/8, so
hey,
it's definitely taller in the front right now, but we're gonna go up 2 inches in the rear. So what I did is say 41 5/8, so we're gonna end up at 43 5/8. So, and then once we lift the front, weight will transfer to the front coils, and this will probably actually come down a little bit. Right now, the weight bias is going rearward.
Which we can't lift until
That too, into your nitrogen. So
okay, so we made a very costly mistake during this installation. And as you can see pictured, that is the air tank for the Ram air suspension airbags located in the rear of the truck. The point is the air tank was in our way during part of the installation. And so we decided to let all the air out of it. Well, it turns out that air was actually nitrogen, and that nitrogen was a $300 to $400 mistake that we probably could have avoided. So don't do that. Don't let the nitrogen out of it. But anyway, back to the video.
don't freak out that doesn't have a rake right now.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, we turned the truck around, and that is because we finally finished the front. So we're going to waste no time, and we're going to get started on the rear.
Oslett is so good.
It's delicious.